Hello friends, welcome to Aircraft Museum. It's nice place to go with your family and your children. Location available on the screen. The museum remains open from 2:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. on the weekdays and 12 noon to 8:30 p.m. on the weekends. Entry fee is rupees 30 per head. The beauty at night is amazing. Please visit the Aircraft Museum and witness the incredible legacy of the Indian Defense Forces. We entered from here. It's really a different experience inside of a real aircraft. So if you like the video, then do like, comment and share. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.